Welcome to this home earthing explainer. Let's dive into how you can safely start today on a tight budget. Worried about crazy high costs? Well, we're going to explore an ultra-simple, incredibly cheap DIY solution together. The secret? A built-in safety resistor. Think of it as your ultimate electrical bouncer. When grabbing an earthing cable, make sure it has exactly 100K to 1 megaohm resistance for total safety. Your checklist is super simple. A resistor-equipped cable, an optional tester, and a cheap conductive pad or tape. Okay, here's your foolproof 4-step beginner method to get this set up at home. We'll walk through these 4 super easy steps to safely connect with the Earth's energy. Step 1. Grab a basic tester plug. You just need to verify your wall outlet is properly grounded. Next, plug the adapter strictly into the grounding terminal's metal clips. Never ever use the live power holes. Step 3. Securely clip that alligator attachment onto an affordable conductive mat, blanket, or even copper tape. Finally, just rest your bare skin directly on the material. That's it. You're officially earthing. Wondering about the time commitment? Honestly, just 30 minutes a day is all it takes to see results. This simple daily habit actually reduces inflammation, improves sleep quality, and safely discharges built-up static electricity. Now, before you start, let's quickly go over some absolute must-follow safety rules to protect yourself. Never ground during a thunderstorm or connect to water pipes. And always double-check for that safety resistor. Home wellness is surprisingly affordable. You literally can create your own healing sanctuary for just a few bucks. So, seeing how incredibly simple and cheap this is, are you ready to connect with the Earth tonight?